Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Mr. McComb coming at you. Hope you had a good spring break. I got a little rest, at least a time away from school, work, and all that good stuff, and ready to get back to business here. This video I made is just a quick little video I'm going to do to show you how we're going to turn in some work. Hopefully you and your parents saw the video I had put together before break, and you got your GA email set up. What you should have if you're watching this Monday morning is an email from me for science that says science work, like we see here, and it's got 3 links that you're going to click for the 3 of the assignments we had for science. So these are the things you've already completed in the past. Now I can get a chance to take a look at how it went and how you did by you simply submitting the forms online. So I'm going to show you real quick with that what that looks like. So there's 3 topics or 3 assignments we had: the Unit 4 review, a Lesson 1 quiz, and a Lesson 2 quiz. When you click these links, they're going to take you to those items, okay? So these are actually things you've already completed. This is your only science work for the day, and it shouldn't take you that long at all because you've already completed the work, okay? When you go to the Science Unit 4 review, page 195 to 197, that is what's already in your book, and it's one of the first things you did for me when we started this whole experience. So what you're going to do is take the work you've done in your book and put it into these forms. So you'll notice, like, number 1 on the Unit 4 review says a community of organisms and the environment in which they live is called a blank. Now, you might know that, or remember that, or treat this like its own quiz, but you've already done this work, so you just need to take the pages you've completed, the items you've completed in this Unit 4 review, and put it into the forms by clicking the correct answers here, okay? So these are actually, you'll notice these are pictures from the book, and I copied those straight in the computer. So when you click the link, it might take a second to load those up, but these follow along exactly with the work you've done already. So once you get to the multiple choice questions, like number 9, that's going to be the next page on the Unit 4 review, okay? So all you need to do today is go through these links, these 3 different assignments that you've already completed, and then put your answers into here. So for number 9, it has this multiple choice question, A, B, C, or D, whichever answer you put, that's what you'll pick. Then when you get to the bottom of that, once you take it all and just copy it in and fill in the blanks here, you'll hit submit, I believe, at the end. Yeah, submit, and then you're done. So that's a good, quick way for you to turn in the work you've already completed for me, okay? The same thing goes for the Unit 5 Lesson 1 quiz. And these are in that packet we had when we started this whole thing, okay? So this is the science packet. And then in here is Unit 5 Lesson 1 quiz, what are roles of organisms in ecosystems? So you've done that work on paper already. And now, same thing, you're just going to take those answers you had for the first vocab one. So organisms that make their own food, that's the first question on here. Whatever you filled in for your blank there, you're going to choose the correct option there. These are all multiple choice. So big task today for your first day back for science is just go ahead and fill in the answers to the work you've completed, and that way I'll get those to me, and I'll be able to take a look at how it went, okay? So when you get to the end here, it's getting all multiple choice questions. Hit submit. And then the same thing with the Lesson 2 quiz. Again, in the packet, the next thing in the packet, again, already completed, things you've already done. And then again, you'll notice that the pictures here are actually, the questions are just the pictures as screenshots. And again, it might take a second to load up, so just be patient if you see it waiting to load, because there are a bunch of pictures. But I figure that makes it super easy. Just take what you've already done on paper and then put it online, and then I've got it for me to be able to grade, okay? So again, look for that email in your GA email, so it should be set up. That's the only place it's going to get emailed, not going to parents, not going to anybody else's other emails. It's going to be only to your GA email. Then when you click that, you don't even have to put your name on the top of any form or anything like that. It just automatically knows that that's yours because you're logged into our little GA network, which is super nice, okay? So hopefully this is helpful. Hopefully you guys get that done. Should be a pretty easy day of science, first day back, and then we'll talk more about what's going on the rest of the week, okay? All right, thanks, guys. Thanks for watching, and you can go ahead and get that done for me today. Thanks so much. Looking forward to seeing it. It comes through to me instantly, so I can't wait to start seeing them. All right, see you guys.